Namaste everyone. So today I will bring you the five abnormal music applications, and some of our supports offline playing and some of our supports online playing, and the one is a hybrid. So let's start the video. But first of all, I want to tell you, if you think like this will be a just like a basic music applications where you can just set equalizer and play offline song or online song without like any further extraordinary features, then I want to tell you these all applications are not available on the Play Store. Those applications are developed by the niche developers, and all applications are available on the either like Android or the GitHub itself. So you really need to understand like what these applications have potential to do. You must download these applications because links already available in the description, and also timestamp available in the description too, so you can find easily, or you actually looking for, you can jump onto that. Simp Music. So Simp Music is a online song player applications where you can play a song online from specific source. It has a lot of songs, like almost all the songs, and you can do here a lot of UI customizations like blur effect and other things, and you can also control how you want to play a song from that specific source that this application used. And there is a so many other options like you want to do that you can do on the normal generic music applications. So if you want to know what is that, then you need to download this application. So it has also like AI integration. So yeah, it's a good application. Maybe you face sometimes buffering issues, but mostly it's fine. Booming Music. It is a offline song player. Like if you are a guy who uses to play offline songs a lot, then this is for you. It has all the generic options, and in terms of customization, there is a lot of UI related customization. Like you can enable audio, then you can make a background pure black and font and so many stuff. Other one feature that I like, you can download metadata from the internet. Like you downloaded some music, and if you want to add metadata like artist name, thumbnail, and this kind of thing, then you can do it from here. So this is a quite good applications if you are a guy who used it to play offline songs, then this is for you. Rhythm is another offline music player, but it's actually not just another music player. If you want a really good UI experience in any music application, then I will recommend for that. Like it has excellent animations and some of good widgets. Yeah, if you like a guy who used it to play a lot of offline songs, and this is for you. You can even like categorize your music by just like artist and by the recommendations, and this application provide that to you without any further settings. And there is a very excellent animation you can see on the screen, and you can adjust song by just mood and the moments. Although there is a lot of customizations available too, like you can use wallpaper based colors. It only supports on Android 12, but if you are not on Android 12, then there is also like great UI experience you will have. And yeah, there is the normal option that every application should have. That's all are available here, so no issue with that. So you must try this application if you are really care about the UI experience and animations in specific music application. If you watched this video till here, then you have a good attention span, and the last two application will be amazing. And if talking about the last application, that one is insane. So stay tuned with me, and let's move on the next music applications. Vivi is also online music streaming applications, but it, as I said, it's just not another music application that play songs online. Actually, you can control a lot of things from that specific source that the developer used in this specific applications. So in the settings, you can literally customize your UI appearance, like player slider style, then how you want to set sensitivity in mini player, then lot of things like how lyrics showed up on the screen, and literally so many things. But other than that, there is some other feature that are really useful. That is a player and audio. Like you can control how the player and audio and the cue will appear to you. It totally depends on you how you want to modify that. So this things are also available, and there is a backup and restore thing available here too. In the past applications, there is also backup and restore a feature available, so you can try this if you want, really. So yeah, and if you want to know more about this application, then you need to download it, because something we can not just tell, you need to experience by yourself. So the last application is Namida, and it has a lot of feature. Even I didn't explore the every feature that this application has, and some of the feature I didn't even know what is the use for it. So you can play a song here from your local directories and from the specific resources, that is all the song. So it has so many features, like you can control everything that you have in this application, like a lot of. I highly suggest it to you. If you are really love this type of application that brings you a lot of features, then download these applications, because I can't even explain everything in just 1 minute for these applications, because it has a lot of customization feature. You can literally control every specific thing on the song switching and how the specific track play to you. And yeah, there's a lot of feature, as I said. So the links is available in the description. I highly suggest you to try this application one time, because the 1 minute cannot justify this application. So all the links and the credits and the source where I found these applications are available in the description. So I highly suggest you must check out those platforms. Those are amazing. Okay, and if you like this type of content, then you can like this video, share with your friends, and comment us like what kind of improvement we need, or what kind of suggestion you want to give us. Also, we have a Telegram channel, Telegram group, so you can join that community too. So this is for this video. We will meet you in the next one. Until astu sachmev jayate.